honest and with he'll show you what to do.
Hey there, my energetic and engaged students. Rio, the parrot with a passion for enthusiasm, is here to take you on a thrilling adventure through the letter J. Get ready to dive into the depths of the sea to meet jellyfish, explore stylish jackets, and quench your thirst with delicious juice. Let's get started and bring that excitement.
Rio perches with a vibrant flair, his eyes shining with enthusiasm, and adjusts his feathers to look even more energetic.
Imagine we're underwater, surrounded by the wonders of the ocean. Take a close look at the shape of letter J. It's like a hook, ready to catch your attention. Can you see it? Awesome!
Rio playfully shapes his wing like a hook, illustrating the shape of letter J, emphasizing the hook-like appearance.
Now, let's dive into the sound of letter J. Repeat after me. Ju. It's a quick and lively sound, like a joyful chirp. Ready? Ju?
Rio enunciates the sound of Ju with enthusiasm, adding a joyful chirp, and encourages the students to repeat after him.
Fantastic! Now, let's explore some exciting words that begin with the letter J. Repeat after me. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
The students echo. Jellyfish. 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 Pretending to swim gracefully and pulsate like jellyfish in the sea.
Superb! Jellyfish are mesmerizing creatures known for their graceful movements. Imagine floating alongside jellyfish. Their ethereal presence captivating your gaze. Pulsate like a jellyfish.
Rio playfully undulates his wings, imitating the graceful movement of a jellyfish, and encourages the students to do the same.
Now, let's visit a trendy jacket store, filled with fashionable outerwear. Repeat after me. Jacket. Jacket. Jacket.
The students repeat. Jacket. 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 Pretending to try on different jackets and strike a pose.
Fabulous! Jackets are stylish pieces of clothing that keep us warm and fashionable. Imagine trying on various jackets, feeling the fabric and the fit. Strike a pose like a model.
Rio playfully adjusts an imaginary jacket on his feathers and poses like a model, encouraging the students to do the same.
Lastly, let's head to the juice grocery, brimming with refreshing drinks. Repeat after me. Juice. Juice. Juice.
The students echo. Juice. 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 Pretending to sip from imaginary juice cups and relish the taste.
Fantastic! Juice is a delightful beverage that quenches your thirst. Imagine enjoying a glass of your favorite juice, the flavors dancing on your taste buds. Take a sip like you're enjoying juice.
Rio playfully pretends to sip from an imaginary juice cup, savoring the flavor, and encourages the students to do the same.
Marvelous job, my enthusiastic students! You've explored the shape, sound, and words starting with the letter J. Remember the hook-like appearance of letter J, the quick Ju sound, and the words like jellyfish, jacket, and juice.
Rio pauses, allowing the students to absorb the new knowledge.
Now, let's create an interactive pattern together. I'll say jellyfish, and you say jacket. Ready?
Rio initiates the pattern, saying jellyfish, 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 and the students eagerly respond with jacket, jacket, jacket.
Excellent! Let's continue. I'll say jacket, 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 and you say juice, juice, juice. Here we go.
Rio and the students engage in the pattern, exchanging words with enthusiasm and eagerness.
Wonderful work, my energetic friends. Remember, enthusiasm and engagement make learning exhilarating. So, keep exploring, keep interacting, and let the excitement of learning lead you to new discoveries. Until our next thrilling adventure, my wonderful students.
Rio spreads his wings, taking an enthusiastic bow from his perch, as the students applaud and exchange animated whispers, inspired by Rio's energetic teaching style and the interactive journey they've enjoyed.